channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. We are continuing with shell scripting tutorial for DevOps, and in previous video we have seen how we can automate our task with cron job. Okay, and in this video we are going to see how we can manage environment variable in shell script and how we can define environment variable in shell script. Okay, so whenever you want to export environment variable, okay, then you have to use export command. Okay, that will be exporting your environment variable in any script or any code. Okay, so let me define my shebang first. Okay, then we have to use export, and suppose we want to set our database URL as environment variable. Okay, then we have to use database underscore URL is equal to, and your database URL name like my Postgres SQL, and whatever address you have like https mysql.com, but endpoint will be different. Whenever you are going to create any database, that time you will get the endpoint, so you have to use your endpoint here. Okay, then after that what you have to do, you have to echo and connecting to dollar and the database underscore URL. Okay, so it will show that it is connecting to our database as well. Okay, so you can share this database variable environment variable with developer, and they will use this environment variable in their code. Okay, so you just have to use export, and then after that we have to use our environment variable in form of key value pairs. Okay, so this is all about how we can define environment variable in shell script. Okay, so I hope you found this video informative and helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.